Now we're going to make a baseball cap or a football cap or any other kind of cap you want. You can get these in various sizes, so cut out the template you want. Now I've got one here that's an A4. That size makes that size of hat. I'm going to demonstrate with an A3 just so you can see it better. So all you do is you take this design and you roughly cut it out, and then you just stick it down onto the piece of card and then score where the lines are with an embossing tool. You just want to find with these, if it's not a straight line, you might find with a little bit of foam underneath, a little foam mat. You just literally hold your hand steady and just follow it through. You might want to do that 1 or 2 times, but if you use a foam mat underneath, then you don't have to press down too hard and you can get away with doing it once. And then you cut it all out. So say I did this in red. Well, there's the template once I've cut it out. Now I've done another one, but I've done it in an A3 size, which gives you a much bigger template. So that's the same thing, but cut out of A3. You've got the basic hat there, and you've got the peak of the hat too. Now it's just a question of going round. You've got all these little tabs here that we folded over, that we cut and folded. There's the top of it there. And it's just a question of now following it around and sticking these little tabs down one by one, and it steadily folds in on itself. So I'll just make a start with this one here. I'm not going to show you the whole lot, so it'll take a little bit of time. So a little bit of glue on there, and then that folds over, and do it as accurately as possible. I find if you do the first one here first, then the other ones are easier to stick down. Let this one just stick and hold its shape. Now you can see as I've gone round sticking the flaps together, it's giving it that natural curve of the hat. I've gone one way and then the opposite way, and you can see on the inside there the little flaps are stuck down. Now I'm going to stick this end to this end and then finally do the opposite end. So again, I'm sticking these 2 bits together. Like so. And just hold that together until it's secure. Now as you can see, I've cut all the flaps down there and it's all come together to make a nice cap shape. Now at the top here, the final one flops over and sticks together. Now I've not done it quite tight enough here, but what I do is when I'm making these, I stick a button or cut out a circle of the same coloured card and a little blob of glue, and that rescues it to make it look more like a finished baseball cap. And now all you've got to do is stick keep the peak of the cap on here, and I just do that with the main one first and then let that secure and follow that round. So the first one I'm going to stick down is this one. Again, hold that in position until it sticks before you attempt of rolling that around. So find out which you think is the nicest side. I think probably that one. Whoops, throwing it away. And then just stick that down on the inside like that. So now you can see I've stuck the baseball cap together now. There's the inside. You can see how that's attached, and you can decorate that any way you want. I've done this one here with just a simple shield on it. So there's your basic baseball cap. That could be any kind of cap, football cap, whatever, school cap. Just need the basic template.